Yeah, so we're going. Let's just alright, so what we're doing, we're going to fly some drones, man. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go fly some drones. Here, I'm just fucking by myself going to meet Buddy. It's fucking bright. I need my sunglasses on. Motherfucker, you don't know me like this. Oh, what? You don't know me like this. There, that's better. So we're going to fucking meet Buddy, and I'm gonna fly some drones. So we gotta be hands-free on this fucking crap. So I'm going to meet Buddy right now, and we're gonna get. I got this fucking this shifter in the way. I'm gonna move it a little bit. That's good. So we're gonna go. I'm going right now to meet a really pro pilot. He's so good. No, he's not a pro. But anyway, he's gonna be a pro because he's fucking insane. He's fucking way better than me. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm not saying I'm good, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a link to his YouTube below. There's gonna be a link below. Fucking link below. So Buddy just called. He's done at the weed shop. So now, the medicinal shop. Fuck it, weed's legal. We're in Canada. So anyway, he was at the weed shop, and now I blew right past the weed shop. I didn't even stop because I'm an idiot. But that's fine. Now I'm meeting him at his house. And we're gonna get into one car, and we're gonna fucking go. We're gonna go to the mountain somewhere. Some fucking location. I don't even know where, man. It's a secret. Top secret. We'll see you there. Alright, so now I'm here waiting for the guy. And this is too much play-by-play, so I'm not using all this. I'm going to edit it out. So I'm waiting for the guy. I'm at his condo. High-end condo. Waiting at the garage. So I'm going to park here. He's going to pick me up. We're going to go, right? I got a coffee. Today's episode is sponsored by McCafe, so make sure you drink your coffee for only $1.05 until I don't know when the fuck, but right now it's $1.05. So if you want to get a coffee, McCafe, $1.05. Cheap as fuck, just like me and my gears, cheap as fuck. McCafe, $1.05. Got it? All right, folks, I'm here with the fucking professional drone pilot I've been telling y'all about. We finally meet up. He was at the weed shop, this fucking guy, getting weed, and then he's like, meet up at my house, and then I fucking spilled the coffee off the roof of his car. But hey, it's all good. There's more coffee, so...
I forgot my tablet on the roof earlier too. I made it all the way to weeds without falling off.
And he got weed with a tablet, so...
Weed with a tablet.
Well, if you're stoned, that's all you're gonna get out of that message. So we're going up to the mountain, top secret place where we're not telling anyone, and we're gonna fly some drones. So we'll show you, we'll say some more shit when we get there, because nobody fucking gives a shit anyway. So let's go, and here's some road footage. Alright, so here we are. We're meeting up with this fucking guy. He's like from the Discovery Channel or some shit. And this guy is Anthony. He's the professional pilot. So he's the one that was getting the weed earlier. That's why we're delayed. Actually, it's my fault.
That's why.
But,
That's why.
Just joking. Anyway, we're gonna hike now, so I can't fucking. I don't have a gimbal thing because I'm a noob. So we gotta go and we're gonna walk. So see ya. All the way in here and fuck. Basically, we gotta go out. We gotta leave. He says it's not safe. We got trees down and shit. But as you can see, this huge tree here beside me. Anyway, we're going to check out the beach. And it's pretty fucking windy though. Super windy today. So yeah, there's this tree right here. It's totally down. Fell out, pulled the roots and all, eh? Look, right there. Bam. Motherfuckers. So we're just coming in here, fucking secret location. And, fuck, eh? A little bit nuts here. Trees are coming down, he said. Shit. What do you think, Anthony? What do you think? So I'm flying it like a shit. Holy fucking big as fuck on this lake. Yeah. Gonna fly it right into the side of a tree.
Fucking windy down here. Shit. Park guys, boss, and all that flying and everything.
We can't fly!
No way.
Fucking white caps in Hudson Lake. Fuck. Two fucking white caps here, eh? Holy shit, motherfucker. Here we are. Beautiful British Columbia.
I do have to like fucking piss.
Alright guys.